size compared to them.
Third quarter now underway inside the Big Dome. San Mig Coffee will have first crack at the basket. Ang lima nila will have big game James Yap, Joe Devans, Mark Baroka, PJ Simon, and Mark Pingris. Para naman dito sa Barako, their defense will have Mark Macapagal, who just committed that foul, Evan Brock, Josh Orbistondo, Mick Pinisi, and Alain Maliksi.
Mark Macapagal has his first team foul. Mark Macapagal eligible for the inside shot clock.
Baroka gets it over to James. The one-hander goes off the glass for two.
James Yap scoring quieted got a little quiet in the second quarter wherein he only had one free throw. And his scoring is going to be integral para sa San Mig Coffee Mixers if they want to pull out this victory.
PJ Simon napituan ng kanyang ikalawang personal foul as we take a look at that beautiful one-hander against two defenders. Galing dito kay James. Makapagal mula sa kanto. They look for their import Brock, pero si Pingris was quick to the trigger there.
You know what I noticed with Evan Brock? Malaki siya, may quickness siya. So you know what the difference is? Because maybe we should compare it to Marcus Dowden in a way because of the system. He does not seal very well. When I look at him, he looks like a guy that actually seems to enjoy playing with facing the basket rather than his back towards the basket.
Orbistondo to the corner. Tingalang nasalo ni Macapagal. Simon beats him to the leather. Baroka to Ping. Nakita si James. Nice bullet pass underneath. That should count. So Devans with the 2 points. Goaltending whistled on Brock.
And if you're the coaching staff of Barako, you don't mind that hinabol yun ni Brock. Bakit? He has to send a message that he's in there somehow. That he is going to chase yung mga tira ng kalaban.
Lamang ng San Mig Coffee. Not for longer. Kapla na naman ang ating labanan after Macapagal. Buries that one. Macapagal now with 8 points in total to lead etong Barako Bull. James has Brock on him. Pingris deep against Pinisi. Ups to give it up. James off the glass. Tinawalang ng ring. Devans keeps it alive. Dalawang fake. Walang pinuntahan yung tira niya. 4-on-2 break in the works. Orbistondo all the way.
Looking like the way nagsimula yung ating first quarter dito. Nagkakaroon ng pagkakataon makatakbo Barako Bull and also making that outside shot.
8 puntos na rin para dito kay Orbistondo. Baroka will launch one. Then Orbistondo beats Pingris to the rebound, leads the break. They don't have the numbers though. Pinukul pa rin yung tres. Off the glass! Para dito kay Josh.
Better to be lucky than good. It would be hard to imagine that he actually called glass dun sa tira na yon. On one end, you have a point guard that's being lucky with his shot. On the other hand, minamalas naman ito si Baroka dun sa tira niya sa labas.
Yung mga fast neto ni Mark. Wala pa 3 minuto lumilipas sa ating third quarter. Nice jumper comes from Joe Devans. Cutting this deficit to 3. Villanueva back to Orbistondo. Couldn't pull it. Here's Brock. Hanging in the air. No good. Devans for the rebound. Siya na rin magtatawid ng bola. Handoff papunta kay Simon. Pull-up jumper. PJ couldn't deliver. Brock taps it into himself.
Better job on the part of Brock rebounding the basketball here in the third quarter. Already his second rebound in this quarter.
Brock in trouble. Locates Orbistondo. Brock once again with yet another board, and he is fouled this time around.
Consultant Raiko said, sabi niya magaling daw rebound, and ngayon pinapakita niya na ng bahagya dito sa third quarter.
Nilito ka na rin, oh. Ako kanina pa nalilito.
Nililito din na tayo.
Yan. Pinisi to the baseline. Maliksi. Too strong. Simon lost it. Nagambala siya doon ni Orbistondo.
really wants to see Evan Brock be more physical pagdating sa kanyang style of play, and they want to see the rest of the players play smarter offense as well. Sa kabilang side naman, San Mig Coffee happy with the effort that their players are showing so far, pero ayaw nilang bigyan si Mick Pinisi ng open looks dahil daw si Lolo Mick ang nagsisilbing barometer ng ganda ng ikot ng bola ng Mixers, guys.
Pero ito si Josh Orbistondo naman ang naiiwan ng paulit-ulit. 14 puntos na after that triple. Nasa ula lang, 15 pesos lang. 50-42, namomroblema ang San Mig Coffee, down by 8 points. Nice movement. Simon nga lang na baby yung tira. Nalocate na siya dun, Liz Devans sa ilalim.
But PJ Simon done a good job of getting rebounds sa laro na to. And a number of offensive rebounds have actually gone his way. 3 to be exact.
Orbistondo has it slapped away by Baroka. Pagkakataon ng Barako Bull to put up the first double-digit advantage of this game. Pinisi looking for Orbistondo. He's been hot as of late. Orbistondo down the lane, eluding the defenders. Hindi nga lang, used to play up niya. Devans to Yap on the right side. Touch passing, Devans to Rivas. Rafi is fouled and will have to earn his 2 points.
PJ Simon, and that's the beauty of having him, and para kay Coach Tim Cone, because since he can play multiple positions, size-wise, he's a small forward. Skills-wise, maybe more of a 2 in terms of his scoring and his passing ability, more of a 1.
10 minutes in the first half, 4 points, 2 assists. Para dito kay Alex Malyari. 50-44 is the score. Maliksi overshoots. Sa pagkakataon na yun, here comes Alex Malyari. Devans from the outside. Too sharp. Orbistondo to Brock on the run, pero 5 na ang kalaban niya. Brock trying to crossover. Stumbles over himself. Pero nasalba naman ni Maliksio. Nauna si Brock, hindi nila nakita. Here's Orbistondo. Lob si Raboy! Natapal ng ring. Pero nandun si Brock to save his own miscue. Ayaw niya talaga ng alley-oop sa ibabaw. Gusto niya dito sa bandang balikat kinukuha. No?
I think this was harder dahil kanan yung ginawa niyang pansalo eh.
But a presence of mind on the part of Brock, not giving up on this one. You know. Parang alam niyang nabiti na siya. Kept his eyes on the prize, gets the reverse layup. James for 3. Ang lamig na itong si Big Game mula nung first quarter. Total of 14 points, 11 doon. Kaninang maaga niya ginawa. 52-44. Villanueva with a getaway, and this is the first double-digit spread of the game.
The one thing na nagagawa naman ni Evan Brock is because he is so big, ang layo ng iniikot ng mga guardia because they are going over the screen and nalilate sila. And the guards of Barako Bull are taking advantage of that.
Baroka looking to cut into the 10-point deficit, gets it to Rivas, gets the bounce. Ang bilis ng 8 puntos ni Rivas, ha? Limited minutes siya dito. Kung hindi pa na-foul trouble si Fingers, hindi siya makakabalik. He only played 8 minutes in the first half. Villanueva to Pinisi. Here's a 3. Minamalas pa rin yung tinatawag nilang Lolo Mick. Iisang 3 pa lang ang nai-contribute niya. Back in the first half, he's got a total of 5 points. It's been months, ano? Almost 8 months. Mula nung huling nakita natin si Don Carlos Aliado. That was last season when they got eliminated. That was his last official PBA game. Yap to Baroka. Baroka has 3 to work with, forced to put it up. Rivas with a key rebound. Gets it back to Baroka. Goes fast for the 2.
Ito na naman ang San Mig. Nagkakaroon naman ng pagkakataon. And continuously, yung San Mig Coffee kahit na maliit, they are doing a good job of rebounding. You look at offensive rebounds, they've actually more than doubled the output ng Barako Bull.
First basket of the game pa lang yun para dito kay Baroka. Villanueva is fouled by Malyari, held down. even before the pass. And Jonas looks shaken up on that baseline. Etong si Villanueva, napalitan sa lineup. Kahit na ang daming team nung involved sa trade. Neto ni Alex Malyari, is there a point to prove here para dito kay Jonas?
Yeah, for Jonas, it doesn't matter who you got traded for. You always want to play well against the team that traded you.
Brock went nowhere with that drive. Baroka on the move. His pass taken away by Barako Bull. Nauna si Orbistondo. Nando doon si Baroka to break it up. Pwede, no? Ilalike ko yan. 54-48. Etong Barako Bull in the lead. Pero hindi makalayo dito.
Gigil ng konti para kay Don Aliado. He knew the situation. Alam niya meron mismatch that he could take advantage of at the post, but just couldn't lower his elbows.
How hard is that though? Last season pa huling nakalaro ng official basketball game si Don Carlos Aliado. You can play pick-up games pero iba yung quality, iba yung level ng PBA. How hard is it na maipagpag yung kalawang na yun?
Para ka ring na-injure. You know, when you get, it's almost like getting an ACL, but at the same time, it's not as bad dahil you're still confident with your body. Ang problema lang, iba ang real game doon sa simulated.
Kung na-injure ka man, knock on wood ng ACL, mas may sweldo ka man. Kay Don Carlos, doon siya ng problema.
But you actually had the chance to see Don around December, and he was really busy into trying to stay in shape because he knew that he was bound to start playing this conference.
54-48. That time around, napuwersa lang si Aliado into the shot because the shot clock was winding down. San McCoffey looking to capitalize and come within 4, maybe even 3 points. Tahorda steps into this one, up and under. Leo delivers. 8 puntos para dito sa pinakabagong San McCoffey mixer.
But yung sinasabi natin that he can really take advantage of shots which are about 17 feet in.
Villanueva, iniwan si Malyari. Rivas out on him. Makapagal from the corner. Doesn't work. Brock nakuyog ng tatlong naka-asul. James pushes it hard. Loses the leather. Villanueva with Orbistondo on his right. Brock on the left. Josh Orbistondo a little too fast for his own good. San McCoffey now within just 4 points. Napako na sa 54 itong Barako mula nung naitatag nila. Yung 10-point lead na yon.
Remember, San McCoffey, one of the better defensive teams in the league, and that's how they've been able to stay dito sa laro na to. You look at the score, in an import-laden conference, you would think mas mataas ang score natin, but we're coming into the third quarter. Baraco's only got 54, San McCoffey 52, so it's still a defensive battle.
Walang import naman yung San Mig at hindi naman talagang inaasahan na puro opensa. Import ng Baraco, shot clock winding down. Aliado's got to put it up again. Looking for the bailout. All board.
And again, you're going to say, Don Aliado be able to throw a shot up.
Coach Raico, as he pulls Don Carlos Aliado out, giving him some words of encouragement. Simon gets it over to Malyari. Coming up on a minute remaining in the third. PJ through a Rivas pick. Gets it to Rivas. Nakita pa si Mahorda. Bobbles it though. It is taken away by Orbistondo. Tatlong kalaban. Saan pupunta? Orbistondo to Villanueva. They go to Brock on the baseline. Ito facing up against Rivas na naman. Brock exploding to the basket. Will have to earn his 2 points. Mas komportable nga na facing the...
We might be seeing a lot of import struggle from the free throw line. I believe kanina nung first game, the import of Global Porter as well. Did he struggle?
Problema din mula siya sa 15-foot line. Pero finally, nakapasok etong si Evan Brock, and that breaks the silence para dito sa Baraco. Their lead is 3. Lester Alvarez, isa pang bagong mukha sa San McCoffey on the floor for the first time. PJ Simon with yet another offensive rebound.
And again, credit dito sa San McCoffey Mixers. They've put in the work to be able to out-rebound the bigger Baraco Bull squad.
Coach Tim Cone calling for this isolation for Alex Malyari. Let's see what he does with it. Villanueva on him. Malyari for 3. All board. Ayusin na rin ang oras. Itong